Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I've got a little project to do with the Ranger. Now, I don't know if this will be interesting to you, but I saw on the internet that I could change the headlights on this old truck because you know they get cloudy. They're not, the adjuster's broke, so I can't adjust them right. So for like $75, I got brand new headlights, brand new side marker lights, and from what I saw on the internet, it's a tool-free installation that should take like 10 minutes. Let's try it out. This is the Nitrile headlight assembly. There were even cheaper ones online on Amazon that were like 50 some dollars, but these were the better rated ones. They might all be the same, but anyway, I went with the ones that were a little more expensive, and they had pretty good reviews. Look at that, they come with gloves. I don't think we need to be that careful. Looks good to me. I even ordered some new blinker bulbs and some side marker bulbs. And maybe I'll even glance over the instructions before I start. Should we start with the right side or the left side? Let's start right here. So what I saw on the internet is that there are just brackets that lift up and you pull the light out. There's one here. I might need a tool for that. And there's one under here. Okay, that lifts up. I think I can pry it up with the end of this wrench. It's supposed to lift right up. There it goes. Okay. Oh, good thing I got new blinker lights because all the amber came off of that one. Headlight. Hey, Irma, what do you think? Headlight. All right, that's out. Okay, not totally tool-free. There's a couple screws for the side marker lights. Looks like they're 5.5 millimeter. Still pretty easy and convenient, I think. There we go. Even though all these bulbs work, I'm just going to replace them anyway. These just push in. However, I'm not going to replace the headlights, just these blinkers and markers. All right. Now, there are some adjusters on the bottom, but I don't know how you would do that. Nice little stickers to keep debris from falling into the light. Of course, I might drop the paper in there. All actually took the headlight out because I think it might be easier to do it this way before I put it back in the vehicle. Okay, let's try this again. I'm just going to take this little trim piece off the top. I think that'll give me better access. That definitely gives me more room. So these 3 adjusters, there's 2 on the bottom and 1 on the top, they're a little tricky to get lined up. But looks like I got it. And then I guess you just drop the latch back in. There you go. That seems to be locked in. Well, other than setting the height adjustment, they're in. They look good. New versus old. Yeah, that's all foggy and this is all faded. And that's nice and shiny. Now it's just wash and repeat. I learned a couple things on the second light install. First of all, if you're going to do this project, there's an adjuster on the top for the height of the beam to raise it and lower it. You want to make sure that that adjuster is facing up. It can be spun around, it'll be facing down, you'll never get to it. So make sure the adjuster is facing up. The other thing I noticed, and I kind of knew it about this truck already, but I'm seeing it more and more now, is that this truck was involved with a front end collision, a minor collision. You can see the bumper is pushed back. If you compare the distance between the bumper and the front there and this side over here, it's quite a bit. It's pushed back a good inch, which also means this whole corner is pushed in a little bit. Like the headlight is almost flush here. Over here, the headlight's sticking out. So it's a little tricky getting that one out and the new one in, but it's in there, and I'll see tonight how the adjustment is. It shouldn't be too hard to adjust it. I've seen worse headlights than these. You know, they're foggy, but they're not terrible. I've seen worse, but the new ones are crystal clear. And of course, this side marker light, it was all chipped up and broken, so it's good to replace that. The main reason I replaced this one, or both of the lights, is because I couldn't adjust the height. They were adjusted down way too low, so even my high beams looked like low beams. And when I tried to adjust the light up, it actually snapped off the adjuster here. So I wasn't able to do anything with that. So I thought, for the cost, I would just replace them all. Like a new truck. Very nice. Hey, thanks for being here today. I appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel or followed on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, I invite you to join me. This is part of what seems to be a continuing theme here. You know, we had the old 1987 car carrier trailer that we're fixing up, and we called that what's old is new again. So at least the headlights were old and now they're new again. But little by little, you know, we replace things. Anyway, I just want to let you know how much I really do appreciate you. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Watch out, Irma. So the headlights look great. I did have to use the adjusters on the top to level them, but now they're level and bright and as good as new.